Good morning, all of you. As we are reading the chapter third, the value of flowers, now continue with this chapter, section 2. At daybreak, I was walking towards the bifurcation point where the trail of the valley of flowers had left. The writer was start again his journey, and he was going towards the bifurcation point where he find the trail to the valley of the flowers. That's turned heads left of the main trail to the Hemkund Sahib. That's the main way to the Hemkund Sahib. It's the main way of the Hemkund Sahib. I revealed in being completely alone in the high Himalayas. At last, the trail was well remarked and the surrounding views were superb. He telling us about the journey so that he is continue with his journey. He revealed in being completely alone. He was completely alone in the high Himalayas. At last, the trail was well marked and the surrounding views were superb. The sight and scenery of the Himalayas, everyone knows that that's the very beautiful and very superb sight and scenery of the surroundings, and the trail was well marked. Less than 1 kilometers, the sitting on the path, he sit on the path, and obviously uncertainty were two trekkers in their late 20s. The two trekker was on the road, on the way. That were the Rajesh, inscrutable, impassive face gave nothing away. Ajit's contrasting, transparent look of incredulity, his widening eyes and dropping jaws said it all. Are you going alone to the valley of flowers? As we know, as we reading in the chapter, that the writer is going to see the valley of flowers. He find the two trekkers in the way, Mr. Rajesh and Ajit. Rajesh was long face. He didn't have any type of emotions on the face, any other type of facial expression on the face, and he gave nothing to the expression to the writer. And Rajesh contrasting, transparent look. The Rajesh face was very open and very transparent look of the and his big open wide eyes and moving jaws asked them, are you going alone to the valley of flowers? He asked to the writer. He is going alone there. The valley of flowers it was a useless question. It was a rubbish question, unnecessary question, because the way of they were debating whether they should be sensible back of go towards the Hemkund Sahib instead. They were doing discussion. They should be serious and back off towards the Hemkund Sahib instead, valley to the valley of the flowers. So that the forest ranger had apparently decreed that the trail was not officially open, that anyone attempting it was going to their own risk. That were very several glaciers, and a particularly dangerous one a kilometer ahead. As the forest ranger had told them already that the trail is not officially open, means not a legally open, and that anyone is going there, that's their own risk. They are not responsible to the person who is going there. It's not open legally and officially. So that, and there are several glaciers in the way of flowers of valley, and it's very dangerous way, about near a kilometer. I turned the corner and realized why they had stopped in their tracks. Ahead was the first ice sheet. He turned the corner and feel that the writer turned and feel that why they had stopped, कि वो रुक क्यों गए थे in their tracks, अपने रास्ते में. Ahead was the first ice sheet, क्योंकि रास्ते में एक ice sheet थी. It had been a long time since I had glisted on glaciers. It had been a long time since, बहुत लंबे समय से. He didn't glide on the glaciers. वो उसने gliding नहीं की थी, वो slope पे नहीं गया था from a. He didn't slide down a steep, snow-covered slope, so that I stepped gingerly on the ice and crossed slowly with exceeding care. Very hesitantly, he went to the ice and crossed slowly with the exceeding care, deeply care. From the other side, I backwant Ajit and Rajesh. From the other side, और दूसरी तरफ मेरे पीछे थे, I वो अजीत और राजेश के पीछे था, हु आर वेटिंग फॉर ए कू फॉर मी, जो कि उसका वेट कर रहे थे. व्हाट इज स्पेक्टिकुलर ट्रेल? हार्डली ए ह्यूमन फुट स्टेप टू डिस्टर्ब द पाथ. बार्क ऑफ भोजपत्र and littered the ground instead of sweet wrappers and juice cartons. What is spectacular trail? It's very difficult trail, hardly, very hard. We rarely find a human footsteps. Means शायद ही कोई मानव के पद चिन्ह होंगे उस पे चलने के लिए, डिस्टर्ब द पाथ, जो कि उस पथ पर गए होंगे. बार्क ऑफ भोजपत्र, भोजपत्र type of a birch tree where in old times we used to write it on. जहाँ हम ancient time में, old time period में इस पत्र को लिखने के लिए as a paper use किया करते थे, and instead of sweet wrappers and juice cartons. And verdant green. The valley was beautiful, fresh, bright green color of grass there, and the occasionally early flowers peeping through the mist and the sunlight. The very beautiful environment of the surroundings, that's the surrounding sight and scenery was covered with the mist, and mist is peeping by the sunlight. The flowers peeping through the mist. Peeping means जैसे फूल हल्के से जो धुंध सी थी उसमें हल्के से फूल नजर आ रहे थे. Mist and the sunlight. The roar of the river bounding over rocks. The river was blowing a very high tone. The river was blowing in a very high tone and making the great voice. River bounding over, roar of the river and making the great noise of the river water. When we reached the dangerous glacier, we were already committed to the valley of the flowers. As we were already committed, we will reach to the valley of the flowers. I looked at the glaciers critically. He was feeling very tired and it was very risky way, so that he became very irritated with the way. And when he looked at the glacier critically from several angles, trying to see ahead, he found that it curved an impossible distance. It curved an impossible distance. It's very dangerous to reach there, so that the sheer vertical cliff led to the river and cascading over rocks. The latter part seemed possible, but the initial bit was undoubtedly dangerous. Means the sheer vertical cliff led to the river. बहुत ही typical type of way. It's very critical condition of the writer. He was not able to go alone there, so that the latter part seemed possible. Its starting first sheet was very hard to cross that rocks, and the latter part seemed possible, but the initial part had to cross to reach the next part. So it's really very dangerous to the writer, as he telling us about his experience of the journey of a flowers to valley, the flowers of valley. We decided to attempt another route. They decided to take another one route, and clambering over boulders, scrambling across loose stones. Boulders, a large rock, scrambling rough type of ground, cross loose stones. Means they decided to attempt another route that will be covered with a large rock, जहाँ बड़ी सी चट्टानें हो, थोड़ा सी rough type of ground हो, that they can easily cross, hanging on to the slender branches on the way. And they need to the type of easy way. He sat down, took a deep breath, वो बैठ जाता है और गहरी सांस लेता है. Then defeated the pitfalls and decided to opt out. Rajesh and Ajit's sense of loyalty prevented them from leaving me behind. राजेश और अजीत में जो वफादारी का एक थोड़ा बहुत सेंस था, वो उन्हें अकेला नहीं छोड़ रहे थे. अजीत सेंस ऑफ लॉयल्टी प्रिवेंटेड देम, वो उन्हें रोक रहा था राइटर को अकेला छोड़ने से. They were insistent that it was the easier ahead. I waved them on with judge your own limits. Don't take unnecessary risk. But वो उन्हें कह रहा था, I waved, मैंने उन्हें हाथ का इशारा करते हुए उन्हें कहा, judge your limits, judge your own way. अपनी जो एबिलिटी है, अपना कैलिबर देखें, एंड डोंट टेक अननेसेसरी रिस्क. बेकार में रिस्क ना ले. हैव फन एंड टेक केयर. एंजॉय करो और ध्यान रखो. विद इन 10 मिनट्स, 10 मिनट में अजीत रिटर्न टू एक्सटेंड ए हैंड. अजीत आता है और हाथ वेव करता है. आई विल हेल्प यू क्रॉस द बॉल्डर्स. मैं बॉल्डर्स क्रॉस करने में आपकी हेल्प करूंगा. एज आई टोल्ड यू ऑलरेडी, दैट्स अ लार्ज रॉक. आफ्टर द पाथ इज ईजियर आई डिक्लाइन द ऑफर, उसने ऑफर रिजेक्ट कर दिया और राइटर कहता है आई विल स्लो यू डाउन, मेरी वजह से तुम लेट हो जाओगी. I was there, vanishing fingers scrambled back with the considerable difficulty onto the main trail, and sat was the river and the glacier with a mixture of anger. He was then, they were going and scrambled back with the considerable difficulty onto main trail. They were difficultly going on the main way, and sat, the writer sat and was them, river and glacier with the some, he was become some angry, and he was not happy with the route because it was very hard and dangerous to reach the river of the valley of flowers. So that resentment, and he become very upset and hurted. He realized that I had really been keen to the valley of flowers. He realized that he was highly keen to reach the valley of flowers, so that he was very crazy to see that place finally, but he was not able to cross that ice sheet and glaciers lonely, so that it's not easy to cross that way. So he had backed. I turned back, he had to back. I had walked half a kilometer back. जब लगभग वो आधा किलोमीटर वापस आया, when I saw 6 young locals sitting on the path. They greeted me and asked me where I was coming from. I explained my predicament. When he was returning from the path, suddenly he find the 6 young locals were sitting on the path. They greeted him and asked him where he was coming from. वो कहाँ से आ रहा है? The writer explained that one of them, the writer told him where he was coming from. One of them volunteered, we will take you cross. They told them he will help them to cross the path. We are working there 3 or 4 kilometers ahead of the glacier. They told them they are working there and about near 3 to 4 kilometers ahead of the glacier and clearing the track for the season. And they doing the work of clearing the track for the season. The summer season is good season for this type of Uttarakhand places. The many people go there to see the season and enjoy the valley. After a short discussion, during which I explained how poorly skilled I was to cross, the young volunteer confidently promised. After some discussion, during he was explaining how he didn't have much skills to cross the valley, so that he become very tired and he was trying greatly to cross the valley, but he was not able. So the young volunteer confidently promised him, we will make you reach there. We want to go there, we will help you to reach there, and surely you will reach there. वो उसे confident करते हैं, उसे विश्वास दिलाते हैं कि हाँ हम तुम्हें वहाँ पे ज़रूर पहुँचाएंगे. We will make you sure you reach. हम तुम्हें विश्वास दिलाते हैं तुम वहाँ पे ज़रूर पहुँचोगे. He dropped back with them. वो फिर से जाता है उनके संग. See, the first step on the vertical ice, I was already sleeping. जैसा कि पहले हुआ था vertical ice, जैसा कि आइस की सतह है वर्टिकल शेप में, तो वो वहाँ पे बहुत स्लिप हो रहा था. 2 of them were gripping my hands so tightly. 2 of them gripped him tightly. उन्होंने उसके हाथों को कस के पकड़ लिया. I was being yanked back on my feet. वो फिर से गिर रहे थे पैरों पे. But one of them was saying, just don't be afraid, डरो नहीं, will make you cross, हम आपको क्रॉस करवा देंगे. He was yanking, वो काँप रहा था. And back on my feet, वो फिर से अपने पैरों पे गिर रहा था. But they were helping them. They were tightly caught them and making him cross to the ice sheet. I had to make a more determined attempt. And he realized that he had to be determined and attempt this sheet. They cut a path through the ice of every step of the way as crossed a half-kilometer glacier. They cut a path, वो रास्ता काटते हुए जा रहे थे. The ice for every step, हर step पे. And as they crossed a half-kilometer glacier, जैसे उन्होंने half kilometers का glacier cross किया, they were entertaining me with their stories and initial falls their lives in the Chamoli. Chamoli is a very beautiful place of the Uttarakhand. It's really the heaven of the earth, where they studied and their summer work for daily weeks. They work here for the summer work for daily wages to clear roads. That's the job of their people, four people, six people. That the work was that they completed their daily weeks was to earn their daily wages to clear the roads. As we saw, Ajit and Rajesh, much higher up on the glacier, still struggling across the ice. Rajesh and Ajit were higher there on the mountain Himalaya, and they are still struggling cross the ice. They were struggling cross the ice. वो भी ice को cross करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. Obviously tired, वो थके हुए थे and shaken. The whole surroundings was very chill. Western winds was blowing every time on the Chamolis, that type of hill station, and they were feeling shaken with the snow-covered valley. Two of the groups readily agreed to guide them across. Two groups guiding them. They guided us across several ice sheets that several ice sheets have to pass them. The valley was beautiful. They guided us across several ice sheets and glaciers. They were guide किया how to cross the several ice sheets and glaciers, कि किस तरह से ice sheets and glaciers cross करने हैं. The valley was really beautiful. It was mid-June. ये लगभग mid-June की बात है. The flowers were not yet in abundant bloom. हालांकि अभी तक फूल इतने the valley of flowers is a very beautiful place. The flowers were not yet in abundant bloom. हालांकि घाटी में अभी इतने फूल नहीं खिले थे. Yet it was still worth every step of the way. But it's very beautiful place. Chatting all the way, they showed me a small cave where they had spent 4 nights while clearing the section of the path. They were talking and chatting. They told them where they stayed. They showed them the cave. उन्होंने उसे वो गुफा बताई where they stayed 4 nights, जहाँ वो 4 रात का stay उन्होंने किया while clearing the section of the path when they making clean the path of the glaciers. We sat and shared the single packet of the biscuit. They enjoyed the valley. They enjoyed the valley of the flowers, and take the packet of the biscuit that was carrying by the writer. One of them said, उनमें से एक ने कहा, do you know why we are doing this? When you go back, you will tell 5 people that we have helped you cross, and the people where you live will think that we are good people. I promise them I will show more than 5 people. He told them, why we help you? Then when you will return your native place, then you can tell them that the local people helped you and they are very nice. Then the writer make promise with them that I will tell more than 5 people that you are really very nice-hearted people. You helped me very greatly, and with the help of you, I was able to reach here. Otherwise, I can't reach and can't see this beautiful place, the flowers of valley. Thanks to all. I hope you understand.